SGS is a second-generation family-owned business that was established back in 1952 as a small regrind shop for the mold and die industry. The business has since been transformed into a high-performance end mill and drill company. As a matter of fact, we're quite proud that in the year 2000 we established the variable helix geometry, and we've been leading the market ever since.
The EU is a very important market for the SGS product. We have very advanced machine tool manufacturers here would always raise the standard for speeds and feeds and performances. But not only the machine tool manufacturers, as well as the customer base. And they fall into our core portfolio like medical, power generation and aerospace. And to fulfill these goals for always higher demands, we have to increase our capabilities. And this is what we say, we follow the value at the spindle. To achieve these goals, we have invested very heavily in the last month to bring up our new EU headquarter in England. So we have all the latest in grinding technologies, as well as coating technologies, and the most sophisticated application engineers to fulfill these goals. SGS offers a project solution, not a catalog solution. To fulfill these demands, we have to take all other aspects into consideration. These are fixturings, the tool holder, the tool itself, of course, different geometries, as well as the machine tool. The reason for having the Bloodhound here in our stand at EMO is that we share the same philosophy. This is exceeding limits and breaking boundaries. We want to be where others have not been before. So that is the beginning then to achieve better performances and to achieve the goals the customer will set together with us. I'll give you an example for this statement. For instance, this is our latest APR, APF aluminum high performance cutter. We don't take just the speeds and feeds from the catalog. We find the right speeds and feeds together with our customer on their machine tool, on their application. So from there on, the whole approach is different. We pick, in the first place, the most difficult to cut geometry on the component. And therefore, we try to find the best speeds and feeds for this specific setup. As soon as we found that, we start the programming the machine. And what you get in the result is almost 50% or more better performance compared to what you had before. This is a perfect example for our value at the spindle philosophy.
For SGS, value at the spindle is establishing the difference between price and process. Price is something we try to avoid discussing because no matter where the price is established, there's always a lower price. So we really focus on process. Studies have shown that the price of the cutting tool represents about 3% of the actual machining costs. And what we try to do is take that process, break it down, and establish machine time, machine programming, coolants, work holding, tool holding, all as a component for the actual process and how we can save our customer money. Our customers want to make more in less time, and our objective is to do that through showing the value of the cutting tool at the spindle.
When we look at future developments at SGS Tool Company, we're looking at three areas: substrate materials, coating technologies, and manufacturing processes. Substrate materials are important depending on the workpiece that we will be machining. Coating technologies play an important part to help extend tool life. And finally, manufacturing processes are very important that we maintain high quality in the cutting tools we manufacture and bring that value to our customers.